Mom, your cake smells so good.
Thank you, Emma. It is for tonight.
Wow, chocolate cake!
Please don't touch it. It is for Grandma.
Don't worry.
I am going to the store.
Bye, Mom.
Bye! It looks delicious.
Dad, don't.
Just a small piece. Very good.
Mom will know.
No, she won't.
Dad, the cake is half gone.
Oh, no.
What happened?
I think I ate it all.
Oh, Dad.
I will fix it.
How?
I will bake a new cake.
That is a lot.
Sweet is good. Oops.
I will clean it.
Thanks, Emma.
Dad, the kitchen!
It's okay. Perfect.
I feel nervous.
Me too.
I smell something strange.
What smell?
It's coming from over there.
I don't smell anything.
But it's so strong. Dad!
Oh no. It's completely burnt.
Oh no, Dad, what happened?
I must have set the timer wrong. I burned it.
Now what?
Ow!
Mom will be very angry.
You should tell the truth.
I made a big mistake.
It's okay, Dad.
I am home.
Oh no.
What happened here? There's flour everywhere, and the cake is burned. David?
I am sorry. I ate the cake.
You what?
Dad tried to make a new one.
But I burned it.
Oh, David.
I am really sorry.
He worked very hard.
Did you help?
Yes.
I am upset, but thank you for telling the truth.
You are not angry?
I am a little angry, but I am happy you tried.
I will clean everything.
I will help.
All right, let's clean this floor.
I'll wipe the table, and I'll wash the dishes.
Great job, sweetie.
This is fun.
We're a great team.
The kitchen looks better.
Yes, it does.
You helped a lot.
I did.
We still need a cake.
I have an idea. Let's buy ice cream.
That's smart.
cream party! This is better than cake.
Really?
Yes, it really is.
Yummy!
Next time, ask before eating.
I promise.
No more secret cake.
Thank you for forgiving me.
Family is more important than cake.
I love our family.
Me too.
Me too.
Mistakes happen, but love makes everything better.